Okay.
All right, so today we're gonna do another pixie style for you guys. So this is gonna be short pixie, and this technique is very interesting. Stay tuned with a pixie haircut. Merci, Jeff Racy. Yes, so finally done with our beautiful model Elizabeth with a nice Pixie Wispy. As you know, we have so many different type of Pixie, so it depends of your client, your model, what kind of Pixie you want to do. I could create as many as 50 different kind of Pixie, but this is one of them, so I call it Pixie Wipsy. So basically, as you could see, so this section is really tricky how to cut it, so which is I showed on the video how you could make the nice triangle right here with the 3 wispy on one side, and then I did a very nice from short to long it's all like a texture. And then when you go to this side, also I did it like a shorter wispy. And for the bangs, you have many different options. Go to the left, to the right. It depends on your model, what they like it. So basically this cut, you can get it done with my technique, I would say in less than 5 minutes. I want to say thank you for watching my video. Jeff Racy.